Hi friends, this is Jayananda. Welcome to my Better English class. This video will give you an idea on the importance and use of an advanced learner's dictionary. I hope you would have bought the English dictionary that I talked about in my previous class. I know there's a fear and shyness in your mind concerning English, and it is quite obvious. Well, how many of you know how to use dictionary? Those who don't know will find an answer here today, but those who do know will surely refresh their knowledge. Are you ready? Here we go. Question number 1. You only find the meaning in the dictionary. True or false? The correct answer is false. Apart from meaning, we see correct pronunciation, parts of speech, and different meanings with their example sentences, synonyms and antonyms, etc. So, English to English Advanced Learners Dictionary gives you a rich information on the word that you look up. My second question is, English words can be pronounced as per its spelling. True or false? The answer is false. English language has borrowed from so many other languages like Latin, Greek, French, and of course our own Hindi language. Its pronunciation carries the same tone while its spelling undergoes some change. For example, there's a difference between the pronunciation of CUT as cut, but PUT as put. Besides, you may wrongly pronounce the word that spells RESEVOIR if you go by its spelling. You would be surprised to note that it is pronounced as reservoir. It's not reservoir the way its spelling goes, but it is pronounced reservoir. Now remember one thing, as spelling is important for the written English, pronunciation is equally important for the spoken English. My third question, how many alphabet are there in English language? Your option is 1, 5, 21 or 26. It seems to be an easy question, doesn't it? I don't know how many of you have answered rightly, but its correct answer is 1. Probably this answer would surprise many of you. You know, the word alphabet is derived from the two Greek words. One alpha and the other one is beta. They are two letters of Greek language, and that's how this word alphabet comes into existence in English language. Alphabet means a set of letters fixed in an order to write a language. From these three questions, you would probably come to know that how important it is to learn how to use dictionary, and you have to keep abreast yourself with the dictionary. You have to take the help of the English to English Advanced Learners Dictionary in order for you to understand the word and to make use of the word in your sentences. Let me tell you what exactly you get to know from the Advanced Learners Dictionary. It basically answers some of the questions that crop up in your mind regarding a word or a phrase. First, it helps you find the meaning of a word or a phrase. Second, it helps you learn their different usage with example sentences. And also you will come across so many explanations, so many illustrations to correct your mistakes or errors that you have been doing concerning that particular word. And the third, it helps you pronounce the word as a native speaker of English. It doesn't matter if you do not pronounce like a foreigner, but then it will help you exactly how you should pronounce a word. It helps you pronounce a word exactly as it should be. So you don't have to speak like a British or an American, but then you should at least pronounce the word the way it is pronounced. Remember what I said previously. What spelling in written English is pronunciation in spoken English. And then you'll be able to know the similar sounding words, that is synonyms, or the opposite words, that is antonyms in the dictionary. And then most importantly, you would also come to know about some of the idioms. Let me tell you, idioms are the fixed way of expression. And this fixed way of expression, sometimes when you use them in your sentences, will enrich your language. For example, a dog in the manger. This is one idiom related to the word dog, or maybe related to the word manger. You would come across this idiom in that particular word section. What do you mean by a dog in the manger? It is referred to a person who stops others from doing things what he or she cannot do. Look at the literal meaning of this word, a dog in the manger. Manger means a haystack, the straw. Straw is the thing that you cut up after you harvest wheat or rice. That straw. And straw is a fodder for the cows. But just imagine if a dog sits on it. It doesn't eat the haystack, it doesn't eat that manger, but when it barks at the cow also cannot eat it. And that's how the dog is neither eating nor letting the cow to eat. That is the meaning of what a dog in the manger. Hope now you understand the use and importance of an English to English Advanced Learners Dictionary. 50% of your language correction depends on how you handle this dictionary. So I highly recommend that you should use this dictionary for all purpose, for your self-learning. Remember, there is no one to help you. You help yourself. So this much for today. Happy learning. Take good care of yourselves. Bye bye.